Want to spot market moves before other traders? This breakout scalping strategy can help. In this video, we'll show you how to use it to boost your profits across all time frames, from scalping to swing trading. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You can go to TradingView. After that, go to the Search Indicators tab. In the Search Indicators tab, type in Breakout Line. Then just select the Breakout Line by Marco Event. Next, configure the Breakout Line indicator. Since the chart we are using is a 15-minute chart, set the close time frame to 4 hours. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, change the color of the breakout line to yellow. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. As the name suggests, this breakout line indicator will be used to identify breakouts in the market. If the price candlestick can break the breakout line upwards, then it is a sign of a bullish breakout. In this position, you will focus on placing buy orders. However, if the price candlestick can break the breakout line downwards, then it is a sign of a bearish breakout. In this position, your main focus is on placing sell orders. Let's continue by adding the second indicator for trend guidance and breakout confirmation. Go to the Indicators tab and type RSI, or Relative Strength Index. Select the default RSI from TradingView. Configure the RSI by setting the length to 34 and the MA type to EMA with a length of 34. In the Style tab, remove all marks except the RSI, RSI-based MA, and RSI middle band. Customize the RSI color as you prefer and click OK. The RSI will act as a trend guide and breakout filter. If the RSI line is above the middle band and the 34 EMA, it indicates a bullish trend. Focus on buy orders. If the RSI line is below the middle band and the 34 EMA, it indicates a bearish trend. Focus on sell orders. How to place a sell order. If the price candlestick breaks the breakout line downwards, it is a sell entry signal. However, you must first confirm the signal. Ensure that the RSI signal line has crossed or is below the 34 EMA. Ensure that the RSI signal line is closed below the middle band. For the final confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the price candlestick breaks the breakout line upwards, it is a buy entry signal. However, you must first confirm the signal. Ensure that the RSI signal line has crossed or is above the 34 EMA. Ensure that the RSI signal line is closed above the middle band. For the final confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Remember to manage your money wisely and keep your trading psychology in check, as no strategy is foolproof. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That's it for today. See you in the next video.